Hey everybody, thank you so much for joining me today for another video. Today is Friday, the end of the week, and doing the waterfall technique. It's been interesting, it's been different. I still can't figure out if I really care for this technique or not. I don't know if I'll ever come back to it unless it comes around for the technique a week. I don't know. It is interesting looking, and maybe I'll feel differently here in like a week or so, having them around, looking at them. But for now, I don't know if I'm crazy about it or not. But stay tuned till the end of the video because it is Friday and I'm going to be drawing what technique I'm going to be doing next week. Super excited to see what we've got in store. So let's do some painting. Okay, you guys. This is pretty cool. I'm liking this one. This one is pretty cool. I really, really like the purple in this. Oh, man. All right. I take it back. I'll probably come back to this technique. I think it may just be my quality of paints, you guys, and my lack of ability to pick colors, because I just kind of use whatever I can get my hands on at the moment. This is so cool. For being some funky colors, this, I think, turned out pretty darn cool. Not sure why this happened. This is it's very, very interesting. Not sure why that one green weird little wormy dude came out. But okay, I'm gonna bring you guys back in just a second, show you what this looks like dry, and stick around and let's find out what technique I'll be bringing you guys next week. I'm excited. All right, be right back. Well, here this one is dry, you guys. This is actually a lot more what I was going for with all these lines. I have no idea what this little weird wormy dude here is about. And I don't know why my lines are so close together. Some that I've seen online on YouTube, their lines are a lot farther apart. Maybe that would have happened if I would have just kept stretching, kept tilting it. Not sure. I'd have to play with this one like a lot in order to get the results that I want. This center part is so cool though, right? Man, if the whole thing could look like this, I'd be so happy. Be one of those paintings that gives you that happy dance feeling. Well, let me know what you guys think of this one. All right, excuse my hands. I haven't gone and washed my hands yet. I just figured I better get this, not get this over with, but do this before I forget to do it, like I did that one week, before I, get busy with my day. So, and there's only like 6 in here. So, if I haven't done one that you guys are thinking of, I know that there's a couple that I need to put in here that aren't in here, but just a couple. So I'll do that over the weekend. But let us see what we have. Dun, da, da, da. Oh, cool, traveling cup. This one will be fun, hopefully. So if you want to see me try, fail, succeed, who knows, with the traveling cup, come see me next week on Monday. We'll be doing a traveling cup. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, share with a friend, leave me a comment. I love all you guys' comments. So thank you guys so much. I appreciate all of you, and I'll see you next week with the traveling cup.